Hello friends, welcome back to Fashion Forward, your go-to YouTube channel for everything trendy, chic and stylish. Today we are diving into a timeless fashion statement that has graced red carpets, fashion runways and street style scenes for decades. The one and only Stiletto high heels. Whether you are a Stiletto pro or just starting to experiment with these iconic heels, this video will give you the complete lowdown on the hottest Stiletto styles, how to wear them with confidence and everything in between. Stilettos have a rich history dating back to the 1950s when legendary shoe designer Roger Weaver introduced the cylinder needle thin heel that we know today. Over the years, these heels have become a symbol of femininity, elegance, and empowerment. From Hollywood's biggest stars to fashion-forward influencers, stilettos have remained an essential part of many wardrobes. Why? It's simple. They instantly elongate your legs, add height, and give that undeniable boast of confidence. But stilettos are not just about looks, they are about the art of walking tall both figuratively and literally. So what exactly defines a stiletto? The main characteristic is its high heel, usually ranging from 2 to 5 inches. But in 2024, stilettos are pushing boundaries with even higher heels and more daring designs. While classic stilettos often come in sleek leather or patent finishes, we are now seeing innovative materials like PVC, stun, and even metallic embellishments taking center stage. But stilettos are not just limited to traditional pumps anymore. Today, designers are creating stiletto sandals, ankle boots, and even thigh-high stilettos, blending elegance and a touch of edge. And the colors, oh, the variety is endless, from timeless black to bold neon. There's a stiletto for every occasion, mood, and style preference. Whether you are looking for a classic piece or a statement shoe, stilettos have evolved to fit every fashionista wardrobe. Now let's talk about wearing stilettos. Walking in high heels, especially stilettos, can seem daunting at first, but with the right technique and mindset, you can start like a runway model. First tip: posture. Always keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. This not only helps you balance but also makes you look more elegant. Next, take small steps. Your stride should be a bit shorter than usual, and your weight should be placed primarily on the balls of your feet rather than your heels. And of course, practice makes perfect. Wear your stilettos around the house before heading out to get comfortable in them. You will build up your confidence in no time. Lastly, do not forget about comfort. Yes, stilettos are beautiful, but comfort is key. Consider shoe inserts or cushioned soles to elevate pressures and always ensure that the fit is perfect. There's nothing fashionable about a shoe that does not feel right. Now let's move on to styling your stilettos. Whether you are heading to a formal event, a casual outing, or even the office, there's a perfect pair of stilettos for each occasion. For a formal event, opt for sleek, elegant pumps in neutral colors like black, nude, or silver. Pair them with a chic evening gown or a tailored suit for a polished and sophisticated. Like if you are aiming for a more casual vibe, go for Satellito sandals. They are perfect for a brunch date or a night out with friends. Style them with cropped jeans or a flowy dress or even a chic jumpsuit for an effortless yet stylish outfit. And if you are heading to the office, Satelitos can still be your go-to. Choose a pair with a slightly lower heel, think 3 to 5 inches, and pair them with tailored trousers, a pencil skirt, or even a power suit. Professional yet chic. 2024 is bringing us some exciting new Satellito trends. First of bold colors and patterns. Designers are moving away from traditional neutrals and embracing vibrant hues like electric blue, hot pink, and even neon green. We are also seeing animal prints, polka dots, and abstract designs make a major comeback. Next, metallics are dominating the scene from gold to silver and rose gold. Metallic stilettos are perfect for adding a touch of glam to any outfit. Another huge trend to embellished heels. Think pearls, rhinestones, chains, and even feathers adorning the heel for that extra wow factor. Lastly, we are seeing a rise in sustainable Satelitos as eco-conscious fashion continues to grow. Many brands are creating heels made from recycled or cruelty-free materials so you can start in style while staying environmentally friendly. Let's not forget the importance of maintaining your beloved Satelitos. With the right care, your shoes can last for years. Always store them in a cool, dry place, and if possible, keep them in dust bags to protect the materials. After each wear, clean them gently using a soft cloth and a mild cleaner, especially if they are made of delicate fabrics like shiod or stun. Also, do not be afraid to take your Satelitos to a cobbler for a heel tip replacement when they start to wear down. A little TLC goes a long way in keeping your heels looking brand new. And they are have it fashionistas, a complete guide to rocking Satelitos with style, confidence, and comfort. Whether you are a long time lover for Satelitos or just starting to experiment with them, we hope this video inspires you to start your stuff in 2024 hottest trends. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself, so wear your stilettos however you feel best. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to Fashion Forward, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest fashion tips and trends. Until next time, stay stylish, stay confident, and keep pushing the boundaries of fashion. This is Fashion Forward.